flesh. I done done my test, diamonds on my chest.
YouTube. Welcome to my first video on this channel. Okay, let me get out this because they got me in the trenches, boy. They over here doing construction and all that. I was lucky trying to get a picture. I don't know if y'all can see by the Joker because, you know, well, y'all know yet because it's nighttime. First video, nighttime POV, but it's an army green scat. You know what I'm saying? Scatpack charger. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna see, like, should I cut up, y'all? Should I cut up? I ain't gonna lie. For real, I really bought this just for the power, and this is most definitely like a toy. I gotta test out drag mode. I gotta test out what else? What else I got out here? SRT mode. I gotta check out track, sport. Right now I'm just on street, you know. But I gotta try out everything, man. Like I honestly want to try it out on race options. Ooh, launch control. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This is OC. Now this OC. Like, I really might mess around and start cranking them. Leave a comment down below if y'all want me to start cranking them. Like, this car's so freaking new, y'all. I still got the Carvana tags on this motherfucker. It had, whenever I bought it, it had 8,000 miles on it. That's not too bad. I feel like that's honestly good for 2023, you feel me? So, yeah, man, like, brand new. Somebody, she did bust her open. You know what I'm saying? She did, you know what I'm saying, bust her open a little bit, but she's still new, man. And honestly, like, I don't even care about all that. You know what I'm saying? I mean, she got a little experience, you feel me? Now let me chill out. But hopefully, y'all, we can like go ahead and cut up and get into the city though. Make sure y'all subscribe to my Instagram and the YouTube, man. There's some more mods coming soon too, y'all. I'm gonna change my headlights red, stars on the roof, LEDs, cut the muffler. You feel me? Resonator. I don't know how. I ain't gonna lie though, like for real, it depends on, like, you know what I'm saying, the person or some shit, but I don't know, like I do want a loud ass car, but I want a loud ass car that like go fast. But I don't like, I know that other cars can like beat a fucking scat, but like I know that it's gonna be mine or some shit, you know what I'm saying? So like I don't like I'll fuck around and cut the muffler on the jailbreak demon type shit, you know what I'm saying? Add the resonators on that shit, you know what I'm saying? Like I'll still cut the muffler on this, but like to double, I feel like that right there would be OC. Like that'd be out of control. Out of control. Like, it's open lane, nothing in the way. I can tell it's just people driving slow. Like, people really, I'm going 70 in the fast lane. The speed limit is 70, like, altogether overall. I feel like in Dallas, it's an understanding, y'all. Like, we should all know this. In the left-hand lane, y'all. Like, if y'all visiting too, man, like, hopefully this video get a lot of views, bro. In Dallas, bro, it is an unknown rule. In the left-hand lane, bro, we go 80 or above. Realistically, I'm saying this just because, like, I know this might be on the internet, but realistically, if you're not going 95, get the fuck out the way. You know what I'm saying? And that's just on some real shit, bro. You go the speed limit in the slow lane type shit. In the middle lane, nigga, it's used for passing. Cut the fuck up in the middle lane, and you just send it in the left hand lane. And it's not because, like, I have this type of car. Like, this is my